Welcome to this week's Desmond's Donders Photo Diary. Why not join us on our Donders? Lochindorb, we're back again, but not much to see this time, I'm afraid. But this is our photo diary where we'll be taking a run in. The reason there was not much photography or video done was it was either hoovering down with rain or a howling cold wind. So I hope you'll watch this and listen to the diary, and on Friday you'll see some of the weather conditions. On with the diary. But for those that don't know, the single poles are passing places, sometimes have a sign on the top, and those double poles, there's a passing place. Those double poles you see approaching now, they are left and right road markers, and they're there for when the snow hits this part of Scotland. Yes, they mark the road. Diary, 10th of September 2020. After Lindsay left for her night shift, I headed off in Desmond for Lochindorb, our second visit this year, having restarted the Dondering here after lockdown. It's darker than that trip. When I arrived, there will be no midnight shots this time. There was another motorhome in our favourite spot trying to take up the whole car park. I squeezed in out of spite, plus I was too tired to wrestle with the other park-ups. I settled in, set up and had a cuppa. It is very windy, but that is normal for Lochindorb. Tomorrow could be entirely different or just the same. Time for bed, I think. (11th of September 2020). Wet and windy describes today's weather, just as it did yesterday. No problem, there is always plenty to see. The wind abated a little and I tried the new HF configuration, and it's too windy and it still needs a few tweaks, but it will do the job when I get it to stay up. It was too windy all day for the drone, but there was cricket to listen to later. It calmed down a little bit, but then it rained, so no drone. As the sun settled to the horizon, it did clear up to give a few moments of sunset, but then the rain started again. Oh well, time to head off to bed again. Lindsay will be here tomorrow. Of September 2020. Wind again today, perfect for windsurfers, but not for drones. Not a great deal of bird life either, it appears to have all been blown away. Time to listen to the radio and read, I think, while watching the wind and rain showers on the loch. Lindsay arrived and the weather did calm down a bit during the evening, but still no flying or birds. So it's time to do some more relaxing, chatting and reading, then a dram before bedtime. of September 2020. I managed to delay leaving until nearly lunchtime. However, I did not manage to fly the drone due to the wind and rain. Not a lot of video or photos because of the weather. However, all too soon it is time to head home and bring this trip to a close. Wildlife: rabbit, red squirrel. Birds: blackbird, pied wagtail, meadow pipit, buzzard, hen harrier, mallard. Not a lot was seen this weekend due to the weather. Hopefully that'll calm down a bit before our next trip. Thank you for watching this week's Desmond's Donders. Please take nothing but memories, leave nothing that tracks. We hope you enjoyed it and you'll join us next time. In the meantime, please think about subscribing.